Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix this Slack API error not in channel for chat. This error usually happens when the Slack app is not added to the channel it is trying to send messages to. It can also happen if the app does not have the correct permission. First, make sure your app is added to your channel. Open Slack and go to the channel where the message is being sent. In the message box, type /invite followed by @ in your app name. In my case, it is Delph Stack app, so I'll click on it. Once you have done that, press enter to add the app to the channel. If your channel is private, click your channel name at the top and manually invite the app from the members or apps section. Next, check the app permission. Open your browser, go to api.slack.com and select your app. From here, go to OAuth and Permissions. Scroll down until you find Scopes, then click Add an OAuth scope. Make sure the chat write scope is added under bot token scopes. In my case, I have already added the chat write scope. Once you have added it, go to OAuth token, click reinstall, select your workspace, and complete the authorization process. Finally, try sending the message again and make sure you're using the latest bot token after reinstalling. That's it. We just learned how to fix the Slack API not in channel error. You can fix it by inviting the app to the channel, verifying the chat write permission, and reinstalling the app. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delph Stack tutorial video.